Welcome back to Rent Own Sell, where we bring you valuable insights on all things related to homeownership and real estate. Today, we have an important topic to discuss that concerns every homeowner out there: the average lifespan of a house and how you can increase it. So, if you're planning on buying a new home or you're already a homeowner, this video is a must-watch for you. To kick things off, let's talk about the average lifespan of a house. According to the Department of Housing and Urban Development, the average lifespan of a house is around 70 years. However, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Several factors come into play. Factors such as geographical location, construction quality, and the number of occupants can significantly affect the lifespan of your home. But that's not all. Stay tuned for more. Ever wondered how long your home can stand the test of time? 1. Foundation. Every great house starts with a strong foundation. A well-built foundation can last for centuries, often 100 years or more. 2. Framing and structure. The framing and structure of a house typically have a lifespan of 60 to 100 years. Modern materials and construction techniques can significantly extend this. 3. Roofing. Your roof is your home shield. Asphalt shingles last around 20 to 30 years, while metal roofs can last 40 to 70 years. Regular maintenance is key. 4. Siding and exterior of your house can endure for 20 to 50 years, depending on materials and climate. 5. Plumbing and electrical systems may last around 50 years. Upgrades can extend their lifespan and improve energy efficiency. Now let's delve deeper into the factors affecting a house's lifespan. Location is crucial. High pollution areas, flood zones, and even proximity to highways can impact your home's longevity. Construction materials matter too, with brick and stone outlasting wood or plaster. And let's not forget the design. A well-planned house can better withstand natural disasters. Now, the million-dollar question: how can you increase the average lifespan of your house? Here are some tips. Ensure good insulation, maintain a sturdy roof, and keep those gutters clean. Plus, seal any cracks, avoid harsh chemicals, and ensure proper ventilation. Your home will thank you for it. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has shed some light on the average lifespan of a house and how you can protect your investment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more valuable content. Until next time, take care of your homes and make them last a lifetime.